When you started painting with watercolors, you might have come across one of these beautiful misty forest paintings. No wonder they're so popular, they're fun and easy to paint. The problem I've come across, however, is they quickly became challenging when I tried to take them from simplistic to realistic. And I struggled with that in the past, even though I had mastered a lot of other things. So I practiced and I ended up developing my own techniques, including some unconventional and highly efficient ones I'll let you discover in my new masterclass. The masterclass is a series of 7 paintings, and it's going to help late beginners and intermediates learn and apply my secrets to achieve the misty forest effect in a loose, realistic, and magical way. With each landscape in the series, you will learn to dance between loose washes of paint and fine detail. You will paint magical scenes that you can tweak and transform endlessly or even turn into greeting cards. You'll be able to complete each one at your own pace without any time limit, and everything is in real time with my voiceover, and you can download all the necessary resources you might need. I've included some cool bonuses in this masterclass, and I'm going to keep the best one for last, so listen up. You will have access to a library of freestock misty forest references for more practice. I will also give you personalized feedback within the masterclass of privately via email. And I added 2 additional exercises where you'll learn to create these cute Christmas cards. This masterclass is going to teach you everything you need to know to paint magical misty forests that look realistic. But hurry, because right now there are only 10 early bird spots before the price goes up, and these tend to go pretty fast. So if you're ready to join and improve, click the link below to learn more and get started.